Consider the diagram shown here. We can see an object resting on a surface. It has a weight W, which we can see acting vertically downwards. The surface pushes back up on the object with a contact force called the normal reaction. If the object is just sitting on the surface and has no tendency to fall through the surface or to fly up in the air, then in this vertical direction the forces must be in equilibrium, and therefore W will be equal to R. We also have two horizontal forces acting. We have a horizontal force P pulling the object to the right, and a force Fr, a frictional force, which is pulling the object to the left. In practice, if the object is stationary, P and Fr must be equal. So the force pulling the object is equal to the resistance force of friction, which is preventing the object from moving. We will be discussing the nature of this frictional force more after a few examples, but at this stage suffice to say that it is not possible for Fr to be more than P. The frictional force is purely and simply a resistance to motion. If we pull with a force P and the object does not move, the frictional force will take on a value to oppose P so that the object remains in equilibrium.